Hey, what's going on, guys? I am doing a walk around on this 1978 VW camper. We are excited to have this baby, and this thing is nice. It is the Riviera edition. The gentleman has poured his heart and soul into this thing. No glass.
Hey Tater, don't worry about that video.
I'm doing a video, man. What's going on, guys? This is Tater, and Taz is behind the camera. She's our new girl.
Hi, guys.
We have a 1978 VW camper, Riviera edition. We're getting ready to do a drive video. It starts. I was doing it wrong. Hey, man. And I'm 6'3", 290, and I fit in it okay, so getting ready to go for a cruise. The fuel gauge does work on it. It's got good brakes. I'm gonna take off in this baby. This has a little bit newer motor. He's not for sure exactly what year the motor is. It's a 2000cc dual carb Volkswagen engine, 4-speed. He has completely redone all the brakes, new shocks, new springs. All the interior has been redone. New glass, new rubbers. Speedometer jumps a little bit, but it works. Looks like the fuel gauge is working. It did come factory equipped with air condition, but it does not work. He says it needs Freon in it or cleaned out and put back in. Everything in here works as far as the camper part, except for the furnace. He never had the furnace checked out. They would not put propane in the tank because it hasn't been certified.
I think it died. There's no screen.
Edit that out, Court. Okay, I'm learning how to drive this. All right, there you go. It's just good. Come on, baby.
Got it.
Got it.
Tater can drive anything.
I try. The turn signal indicator does work. It's got a stereo system in it. Like I say, everything in the camper works. The water, the pump, the refrigerator, everything. It's got all new glass, new rubbers. The only thing that he does not know if it works or not, which I doesn't think it does, is the heater. And that's because he can never get propane. It's got a new propane tank underneath the bottom of it. It's got new tires on it. The motor has maybe 200 miles on a fresh rebuild. The truck itself, the van, shows 7,500 miles, or 758. I don't know if that's accurate, but this thing is nice. Everything is redone. I'm doing 60 mile an hour. It's driving good. It's not pulling right or left. Oh, Taz behind the camera, she's loving this thing. I think she's going to try to buy it. So you definitely want to.
It's beautiful.
We're asking $29,000 for this thing. This should be a drive video on our website, underneath pics on their website, and pics and all kinds of information. He has a stack of paperwork to come with it. Like I say, it has all dummy gauges. None of them's on. Everything seems to be fine. Turn signal indicator works with the brakes on. Does not pull right or left. It does great. Shifts down good. It takes a little bit for me to find the gear. There you go. Vroom, vroom.
It rides really well too. Like you're not bouncing around or anything. It's nice and smooth.
We'll take it out through the gears one more time for you, then we'll shut the video off. Like I say, man, check us out on the raceshop.com. 573-693-7223. 167 Hayes Drive, Eldon, Missouri.
Ask for Taz or Tater.
Or Courtney.
Oh yeah, we can't forget Courtney.
Can't forget about Court. Hot Rodney.
She's on vacation right now though, so.
I got her to the floor, boys. All right, guys, don't forget to check us out on raceshop.com. Hey, what's going on, guys?
Oh, Mr.
Taylor.
Hey, I'm done. Fuck me. I'm sorry.
Oh my God. I swear I work with a bunch of kids. The owners are a bunch of kids. Anyway, look here, man, 1978 Volkswagen Riviera edition. Very excited to have it in the showroom. It just come in. This guy put his heart and soul into it. Heart and soul. Everything works on this Volkswagen except he's not sure about the heater. He has never used the heater, but everything else, he redone everything from top to bottom. It has a little bit newer motor in it. He's not for sure exactly what year it is, but it's a dual carburetor 2000 cc motor. Very clean. You can go to the raceshop.com, check out the price and details on it. The water works, the water pump works. It has factory AC on it, but it does not work as far as the engine AC. It does not have a top AC. The top lifts up on it. He said it goes up about 3 feet. We haven't taken it up yet, but we should have some pictures showing the top up. Again, it's a 1978. The motor's been redone. It's a Riviera edition. Has new flooring cover, new seat covers, new countertops, new tires, new paint, new window, and new window sills. So check us out, theraceshop.com.